Hey, assalamualaikum and good morning to those watching this video, and we are for Valences. So the big reason you are clicking this video obviously to learn and have a better understanding about maps of the human body, right? So without wasting our precious time, let's jump to the main topic. When speaking about maps of human body, the first thing that came across in our mind is definitely about maps of our body. Not this kind of map, but this one. Maps of human body, or also known as regional surface anatomy, consist of three parts, which are anatomical region, anatomical direction, and planes and sections. Alright, this video shows you an anatomical standing position. Look at his body. He's standing upright, facing the observer, both of his eyes is facing forward, feet flat on the floor, both arms are on the side with palms turned forward. First of all, cephalic region. In this region, we have frontal, orbital, nasal, oral, mental, otic, and occipital. Next is cervical region, which is basically referring to our neck. This is thoracic region. It has sternal, axillary, and mammary. This is abdominal region, and this is umbilical. Meanwhile, this part is called pelvic region that consists of adrenal. And this part is called pubic region and contains of our genital part. Behind of our back is called dorsal, where you can find scapula, vertebra, lumbar, sacral, gluteal, and perineal, which is a region between anus and external genitalia.
This is the upper limb region, which consists acromial, bronchial, antecubital, polycranial, antebrachial, and also carpal. For the manus region, which is the hand, it contains pollex, metacarpal, palmar, and also digital. For the lower limb region, there consists of coxal, which is hip, femoral, which is thigh, patella, popliteal, crural, which is the leg, sural, the calf, fibula or peroneal. And lastly, for the pedal region, which is the foot, it consists of tarsal, which is ankle, calcaneal, metatarsal, digital, plantar, and hallux.
Next, we will move on to the abdominal pelvic cavity. The abdominal pelvic cavity can be subdivided into 4 quadrants and 9 regions. The quadrants are labeled by location. First is the right upper quadrant, where the right lobe of liver, gallbladder, right kidney, and portions of large and small intestines are located. Second is the left upper quadrant, where the left lobe of liver, spleen, stomach, pancreas, left kidney, and portions of large and small intestines can be found. Third is the right lower quadrant, where we can find appendix, cecum, portions of large and small intestines, reproductive organ, and right ureter. And the last one is the left lower quadrant, where the most of small intestine, portions of large intestine, reproductive organ, and left ureter are located. The 9 regions are smaller than the 4 abdominal pelvic quadrants and include the right hypochondriac region, epigastric region, left hypochondriac region, right lumbar region, umbilical region, left lumbar region, right iliac region, hypogastric region, and left iliac region.
Now, let's move to the cutting planes of the body. First, transverse plane, which separates superior and inferior portion. Next, sagittal plane, which separates right and left portions. Last, coronal plane, which separates anterior and posterior portion. For the anatomical direction, we have anterior, which is the front part of the body, and posterior, which is the back part of the body, that is separated by the coronal plane. Now, we have superior, which is upper part of the body, and inferior, which is lower part of the body. We have medial, which is toward body longitudinal axis, and lateral, which is away from the body longitudinal axis. While proximals means towards the attached base, and distals mean away from the attached base. For the superficial, it refers to the near to the body surface, such as skin, receptor, and hair follicle, while deep refers to the further from the body surface, such as bone, nerve, and muscle. Next, cephalic refers to the head, while rostral refers to the forehead or nose, and caudal refers to the coccyx. For the intermediate, it means that between 2 structures, such as heart is intermediate between 2 lungs. Ipsilateral means situated on the same side of the body, such as right arm is ipsilateral to the right forearm. Lastly, contralateral means situated at the opposite side of the body. As example, right ear is contralateral to the left ear.